So good morning from Tiger Hill, guys, and let me show you interesting thing here. This is the way I use. So interesting thing is, now let me tell you how to figure out that some wild animal is here. Is now let me show you. You can see this. This is, you know what to say. Wild animal have taken bite. So I don't know whether you can see or not. This is after biting, you will get this kind of shape. So this is not like cut by any weapon or what to say. Now here you can see some sort of foot steps also.